This is iZesty, a desktop aeroponic plant cultivator. It grows plants in pure air, using ultra-fine mist instead of soil. From seed to bloom, every stage happens in a controlled environment. A transparent chamber lets you see roots grow in real time. At the same time, it gently humidifies your space. 3 lighting modes adapt to different moments, moods, and spaces. The light bends freely, exactly where you need it. Full-spectrum light supports healthy indoor growth. A built-in heating system keeps the temperature stable. Smart light scheduling automatically follows a natural day and night cycle. Growing plants becomes something you can see, touch, and truly enjoy. 3 lighting modes offer dynamic colors, rotating effects, and single-color night light. Fresh mist, living plants, better indoor air. A grow system, a humidifier, and a desk lamp in one. iZesty, grow life beautifully, right at your desk.